Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up enroll in Con Edison EV incentive programs, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin enrolling in Con Edison's EV incentive programs, visit the Con Edison website. Locate the section dedicated to electric vehicles or EV programs. You may need to create an account if you don't already have one. Log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the EV incentive programs page. Review the eligibility criteria for the incentives offered. Make sure you have all the necessary documents ready. Gather information such as your driver's license, vehicle registration, and proof of residence. If applicable, confirm your EV model is included in the eligible vehicles list. Select the specific incentive program that suits your needs. Carefully read through the program details and requirements. Fill out the application form provided on the website. Provide accurate information to avoid any processing delays. Upload the required documents when prompted. Double-check all entries and attachments before submission. Submit your application and note any confirmation number provided. You will receive a notification once your application is processed. Keep an eye on your email for further instructions or requests for additional information. If approved, follow the instructions to access your incentive. Should you encounter any issues, contact Con Edison customer support for assistance. Make sure to stay updated on any changes to the incentive programs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.